welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantal. Today's video, as the title suggests, is all about revamping my goddess braids. So for you guys like me, if you are not willing to pay that extra cash for the human bundles, you actually just have to deal with the joys of synthetic hair. And I feel like my hair, I said this on my TikTok, my hair is done but it's not finished. Like, it's giving tired, but it's not giving takeout, you know? We're just on that awkward borderline kind of place. So I'm actually in the middle of revamping it, and I thought I may as well take you on the journey and show you what I've been doing. So as you can see, I have kind of started on this side, so we'll ignore this side for now. But like, the synthetic hair just mats so badly. You guys can see here, like, this is obviously the hair that my hairstylist recommended, and I know a lot of people do use it's the impressions bundles, but they just don't last like obviously you would want them to. And I've had these in for a month now, and I can't lie, like, initially when I wasn't wrapping it properly to sleep, the matting of the hair was just coming too quick. So yeah, I'll be walking you through kind of what I've been doing to revamp it. And yeah, it's very, very straightforward. I don't know why the camera is making me red now, but yeah, let's get into it and I will show you how I transform. You know, we don't like this. This is not giving goddess, okay? This is giving raggedy. So yeah, let's fix it. So for now, I'm gonna be all up in your space. I will back out later so you guys can see kind of the full, how the hair's looking. But this was the hair that I used. This is the Impressions Deep Twist Bulk hair. I got number 4, and yeah, would I recommend? For what it is, for $5.99, I actually can't be mad. Like, I can only be mad at myself. Okay, so I'm actually only going to show you guys once, and then I'll show you at the end when everything is done. Probably going to be tomorrow, because the sun is setting and I'm probably going to miss the light by the time I'm done. But yeah, so you can see here is a piece that has already been in. It's matted, there is no definition to the curls. So we're just going to get rid of that. So we cut it right at the base. And what I want to do, because I did like the placement that the girl did of the curls in my hair, so I'm just going to put it kind of similar to where it was, and literally this is the bundles, nice and curly. It kind of looks like a deep wave wig. I would have probably cut up one of my old deep wave wigs, but the colour wasn't matching, so I have to make do with this again. And literally you only need a tiny bit, because bear in mind it's going to fold over itself. So you take your piece and you're basically making it crochet hair. Pull out like any excess flyaways. And I feel like when you run your fingers through it, after separating hair, it kind of brings that definition of the curls back. Looking good. So, like I said, this is so straightforward. You put your crochet needle, you open your crochet needle, put it through one of the, like, obviously holes in the braid, loop the hair, close the loop and pull it through, and then obviously like your crochet hair, fold it over and bring that through. Now, the first time I did it, I kind of just left it like that. Then I realized as you look closer, the loop isn't even remotely attached. So then what I do is I get my needle again, feed it through very closely, kind of just one below where I'd put it in the first place. Then I'm gonna loop the hair again and just pull it literally back through to the other side. And I feel like that just makes it obviously a lot more secure, and now you kind of don't see where that attachment was. And literally that is it. Do that throughout your whole entire head. Cut out and add as you go. I feel like that's the easiest way to keep track. And then this mousse, this 10 out of 10, cannot recommend it enough. Like, I found out about it on Twitter by accident, used it for a wash and go. I'm not a wash and go babe, like, it's giving every time wash and no. Like, I always end up having to kind of do last minute changes, but when I use this on Valentine's Day, like, wow, can't recommend it enough. And so I just pump a tiny bit onto my hand, rub it into my fingers, and then I just go down the synthetic hair like that. And I just feel like this kind of helps maintain the definition and just gives it a little bit of extra hold, so that, you know, like, we know it's going to matte again, but it just will last a little bit longer. And yeah, that is it. Like, that is it. What I'm going to do now is I will finish all of my hair. Literally, I'm going through and replacing every single like tendril and piece of this synthetic chaos. And I will show you, like I said, tomorrow, because the lighting will be gone by the time I'm done. You guys will see how much better it looks, and it really will really transform the hair for me. Like I said, I'm already halfway through on this side, so yeah, excited to bring some life back into these braids. But yeah, stay tuned. The chances are so high that I'm going to be in a rush tomorrow, so if I don't get to see it then, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Also, if you want to find out how I wrap my hair to go to sleep and kind of, you know, make sure it stays as neat as possible, head over to my TikTok, which will be linked below. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye! So this was with everything done. Most importantly, I could run my fingers through my hair again, but this really gave me a bit of extra time with these braids, and I hope you guys find it helpful too. Bye!